CAMWorks is one of the advanced smart manufacturing tools that enables you to collaborate with your CAD data. CAMWorks is a fully integrated CAM add-in for SolidWorks. It's embedded in SolidWorks interface, thus eliminate time-consuming CAM rework due to design updates. With CAMWorks, any changes you make to the design are automatically updated in the machining operations and also toolpath. Well, you do not have to buy the whole versions of SolidWorks. You can purchase a cost-effective CAD/CAM software package that includes CAMWorks and also CAMWorks Solids. CAMWorks Solids is an integrated solid modeler that you can purchase CAMWorks to run with. And also, you can use it with the retail versions of SolidWorks as well. CAMWorks has a wide range of feature functions which cover both milling and turning operations. It supports 2.5-axis milling, 3-axis milling, multi-axis milling, turning, and as well as turn mill.
So that is just some of the top FAQ for CAMWorks. If you want to collaborate between manufacturing and design, join us in our upcoming webinar as we will demonstrate how CAMWorks helps to increase productivity using the best-in-class technologies and adaptable automation tools to maximize CNC machining efficiency. Just scan the QR code to register, or you can even click the link in the description. And that's all for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and comment below if you have other topics for us to cover. See you next time. Bye!